stuff in this appearance panel, but let's talk just about these last little bits on the appearance panel. We've got these themes. Okay, now a theme is the coloration behind Emacs. Let's turn that transparency back on, and we will close out this program here. Close that off, and we'll come back into Emacs. So the theme kind of changes, how you're working in Emacs, gives you some different coloration. Let's split this up and let's open up what's called a DIRD buffer. Okay, that's this one. You can see on the left-hand side of the screen, we're in a DIRD buffer. That is the same as Windows Explorer. It's showing you what is on the desktop, and it's showing those files like you're in a Windows Explorer window or buffer. Here you can see these files, and you can operate on these. We're going to talk about that when we get to the DIRD mode. But let's switch a theme here. We've got the Load Base 16 PhD theme. So if you are a PhD student or you're a postdoc and you have a PhD, you might like the sound of that theme. Base 16 PhD sounds really good, doesn't it? The other thing is that it's a really nice looking theme to work in. It changes the color to this nice blue color. You get a very subtle green here. You can see this green, and you've got some cool colors, so it can change up your theme. That makes it really nice if you're working in Emacs and you want to have some different colors here. You're tired of the other theme that you were working on. So I like that. I like that PhD theme. The other one I really like is Solarized Dark. Let's have a look at that Solarized Dark. Again, it's kind of a close blue, but here we've got some other colors here. We've got some purple, we've got some green, we've got some really nice colors, and it could be nice to work in this one as well. If you want a little, change up, you want to change things up, you can work in this theme as well, and it's a really nice theme to work in. And now we're just going to skip the Solarized Light, also a nice theme. Seaside theme is nice. Sulfur Pool is nice. We're going to skip all those. We're going to talk just about the operandi and Leuven. Operandi is a pretty popular theme. Here we're talking about the white themes. This one is white if you want to work in your light mode versus your dark mode. Here you can see we've got some nice colors again. This pink with the blue in the foreground and the pink color in the background. The cursor is black. We've got this nice black cursor. We've got a subtle gray highlighting. If you want to highlight these things, you can see where it's highlighted with this nice sort of gray bluish color. And of course, we've also got some nice blue on at the top here. At the heading, you can see we've got nice blue color here. And so that's pretty nice theme. It's called Operandi. And another popular theme is called Leuven. We're just going to switch into Leuven. It's another light theme. And you can see we've got a little different size up at the top of the screen here. This is larger, a different blue. We've got some lines over the heading. We've got some yellow and blue color. And we've got blue on the mode line in the panel here. And we've got some different colors again. So really changes things up. It makes it interesting when you are working in Emacs because, again, you've got these themes that you can choose from, and you can move through these themes on the fly. Like if we wanted to go back to the PhD theme, we can now just select the PhD theme just directly out of this appearance panel, this hydra, and then we can go to Ioscaven, which is my favorite theme, the Ioscaven theme. I really like the colors in this theme. It's just a really nice theme to work in. If you're working in really big files, it's nice to work in this theme. You've got big files, you've got JavaScript, you're working HTML, you're working whatever computer programming language you're working in. You've got this really nice theme that you can work in. So that's a little bit about this Emacs text editor. I've had a look at the appearance panel today. And we've talked a little bit about how Emacs works. We're sort of setting you up for what we're going to look at. We've got 40 panels like this. We've got 1,000 functions that we can